church. Cameron, Key, and Harper are sitting on their perch. Gates created Emmett, and then there's Carlos Slim. Walmart has made the Waltons Christie, and there's Jim. Trump has got some money. Forbes is a rich man's spy. Buffett may win, but they're all gonna die. Like you and I. No matter how hard you try, we're all gonna die. Madonna had the spotlight, Bieber had a key. Mickey, Keith, Ringo, and Paul are still the best for me. It lights up the silver screen, Death Burton lights